Welcome back to Santé Nou. Today we are going to show you how easy it is to sign up as a provider. First, go to www.mysantenou.com and click on the Login tab located in the upper right. Next, click on the Provider Login. If you are an existing user, simply enter your email and password. For new users, begin by clicking on the Sign Up for Free tab and add your number to request a code by SMS. And that's it. It's that easy. You can now manage your clinic, see scheduled patients, and even review outstanding invoices. Explore some awesome features simply by clicking on the menu in the upper left. Here, you'll find many more tools all designed to help optimize your practice. Providers can update their profiles, add users, and view remittance reports all through this menu. Stay tuned, as we will be bringing you even more helpful videos to help you get the most out of Santé Nou. Thank you for counting on us to bring better healthcare to the world. See you soon. To learn more, go to mysantenou.com.